Section 5 of the girls. Freshman 400 races coming up here. We've got 11 runners listed. No. That was a little bit obvious when runner steps over the line and back after the gun. Don't really think they could leave that unnoticed. Again, this is section 5 of girls. 400 race on the freshman. This time they get it off. Off to your own. A little bit of tripping and stumbling there, but they do get off. Section 5 of the girls, freshman 400. That looks to be Caitlin Mataconis of Middletown. No, it's number 8. That's Ann Lockhart, Conestoga. Ann Lockhart, Conestoga. Thought the colors looked wrong. And Clark. Ann Lockhart of Conestoga on the lead. Getting the challenge here from, trying to move on the inside. That's not a good 6. Whoa, a stumble. Freshmen learn that after a while you don't want to do things like that. That was Caitlin Mataconis of Middletown trying to bust through on the inside. That's a tough thing to do.